Grab is a very useful and famous application in Vietnam and Asia. You can use it to do many things, such as booking a ride by car or motorbike, ordering food, topping up your phone, and many other things. All you need is to have a smartphone, a local SIM card, and an internet connection. You can pay with card, cash, or even add credit to your GrabPay wallet. This video will show you how to use Grab to book a ride. First, you'll have to set up an account. Step 1. Download, install, and open the Grab app. Step 2. Set up an account with your local phone number. You can also use Facebook or your Google account to set it up. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully with the PIN code and confirming your email account. Next, you'll want to order a Grab driver. Step 1. From the homepage, select the type of service you want, for example bike, but you can also choose car, 7-seater, premium bike, or other things. Step 2. Grab will automatically detect your pickup point, but sometimes this can be wrong, so just check that it is right before booking. Step 3. For your destination, which will be the red marker, type in your location, address, or name. You can also select and pin the location on the map by navigating to the button in the top right-hand corner. Step 4. You can also choose to add a second destination if you are dropping someone else off before or after you. Step 5. After confirming your destination, Grab will show you the fare and other options in case you want to change. Step 6. Decide on your payment method, either cash or card. Step 7. Choose whether it's going to be a personal ride or a business ride. Step 8. Check to see if you have any current promotions that you can use on this ride. Step 9. Click book and wait for Grab to confirm your ride. This should only take a couple of seconds, but at busier times you might have to try several times. Once your booking is confirmed, you will be waiting for your driver. The driver information will appear on your screen with his current location and registration number plate. You can contact him by the messenger part and also send some pictures if it is a difficult to locate area. The messenger service also uses Google Translate, which definitely helps. They may contact you by phone to confirm the booking. Usually, if they're speaking Vietnamese, Grab, yes, okay, is fine. They'll understand. They just want to confirm. Once your car or bike arrives, you will want to check that the number plate matches what is on your phone screen. You can cancel your booking at any time before taking the ride if you are concerned about the safety of the ride. When you have reached your destination, if you have chosen the cash option, please pay your driver and give him a rating. Otherwise, it will automatically deduct from your GrabPay wallet or charge your credit card. We hope this video helps you understand better how to use Grab, and hopefully you can use this easily whilst you're in Vietnam to get around the city.